another Friday night Aggreko hockey game underway. So we take on Longchamps Sons. Woo! There's a good tip on for the first shot. That was almost a disastrous to begin. Longchamps usually in the camo, and now white, red, and blue traditionally, which should be fun. You got it, Kale. Good job. Whew, just enough. Well, we're not off to a fantastic start here. I think we're technically still looking for our first shot, but we haven't given up a goal yet. That's the big thing. Take a look, take a look. Let's try not to do that anymore, Eric. Holy shit, what's the matter with us? We are still just slapping the puck everywhere. Oh, Evan with a good chance in front. Relatively sharp angle, but he's still put a good shot on. One coming behind. Time. Here we go, Paul. We are playing pretty well awful. Good shot, good save.
My goddamn skate.
Unlucky. Here we go, Jamie. Wow, that was pretty horrendous, if I do say so myself. Hey, stop just slapping the puck. If you get it on your stick, keep it on your stick. Make them take it from you. We're just handing it back to them because we don't even have a heads up and we're just whacking it somewhere. If you don't sight a person to pass to, keep it. Do something.
Slowly coming down the air.
I had KFC this week. Obviously, I wasn't standing up.
Sure.
Nice job, Kurt. Snagged on the pass in front. Hang on, we got a helmet off. You all right? Ah.
The chin strap would have stopped that. We're good?
Yeah, there you go. Still on you.
I want to wait for the camera.
Watch out in front here. Penalty. First one, halfway through the game.
Unfortunately, he made his point. Forward or back here? Huh? Forward or back? Forward.
There we go.
Can't go like that.
No. There we go. Short-handed chance on the delayed offside. Ah, good save. Woo! Goalie is scrambling. Oh no, he's stuck. Here we go, Troy. Did that go in? Oh my goodness. How did we score that? I'm gonna have to look at the video afterwards. But somebody crashed in and looks like they found a hole. Now let's see. Good setup for Kirk. Hey, we get another one. The goals are flooding in left and right all of a sudden. There's his speed. We really got to get Eric a longer stick though. Good pass. Oh. Hey! Nice shot. Mike finds the corner and we're tied at 3. He's got a lot of speed. And that'll be the second. Who got that first one? Was that Paul? Did you get that first one?
I don't know. I got one. I don't know which one. Yes, we got first one.
Way to crash, way to crash.
Yeah, it just trickled by him. I just poked it.
Yep. Way to follow it up though.
Well, I had already committed, so I said, no. Yeah, you can't bomb it in. Yeah, it's just good.
Whew. Oh, good wraparound attempt. That's my fault for spilling him, Eric. Good tie up. There we go, Mike. Oh! Nice job, Paul. Stick got checked as you let the shot go. Oh. Nice job, Dan. Good step up into the play. Oh. That's all right. You had a good move. Let's get the extra on. Troy, go. Whatever tonight.
You're not so bud.
Nice job. Good game. Nice job, guys. Good game, Josh. Nice job, guys. Good game. Nice job, Dave. Good game, guys. Nice job.